So what is the next topic, guys? Interface variable naming conflicts. Okay. Interface variable naming conflicts. Okay. So now here let me take example. Okay. If you take example, then we can easily understand, right? So now here I'm taking one example. Now interface left. In the left, what I'm taking, you know. So let's suppose int x is equal to 111 I'm taking. Okay. This is the what? One interface. So now here in the same way, here I'm taking one more interface. Right. Fine. So here int x is equal to 222 I'm taking. Interface closed. Right. So now I'm taking class. Implements what? Left, comma, right. Right? AMPLEMENTS. Implements. Right. So now here what I'm doing, okay, I'm taking PSVM, public static void main, okay, string args. So then again it's gonna right. So PSVM string args. Fine. So now here what I'm doing, system.out.println of x. System.out.println of x. You tell me what is the output here. Understand? What is the program? What is the application? I mean, here the example you guys clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
Clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Tell me the answer now.
Compile timer.
Before executing, you guys tell me.
Need to take
Combine
left
time.
dot x, sir.
Hmm?
Need to take left dot x or right dot x.
Why left dot x and right dot x?
Combine time.
Overriding, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
X. Here I'm asking output. So let's suppose here we have public void show method we have. Fine. Here also I have public void show method. Right? So now I can void, right? I can override, right? Show method here.
Yes, sir.
Show method, right? So now here I can create just a which class? Child, I think. Child C is equal to new child, right? And C dot show method. Can do? Can
Yes.
do or not?
Yeah, do.
Now tell me. Here system.out.println of x. So int x is equal to 311. Int x is equal to 222. I'm trying to access what, guys? System.out.println of x. Tell me. What is the problem here?
Compile timer.
Compile timer.
Huh?
Compile timer.
Why compiled method?
Ambiguity issue.
Why ambiguity? But here show method we
Because-
have, right? Even in left interface also we have show method. In right interface also we have show method. But here we are able to access that show method in what do you call implementation class called child, right?
Yes.
In the
That
same
show
way, why
method
can't we
don't
access
have-
variable?
That show
Show
method
method
don't have
don't.
any implementation, whereas X value we assign some value, static value.
Yeah, understood? That's the
Yes.
right answer. Okay, here. See here, definitely if two interfaces can contain a variable with same name, and there may be a chance of variable naming conflict. Understand? There should be a variable naming conflict, right? Here, so JVM don't know which variable has to refer. Here variable, already the value is assigned or not? Value assigned, right? So now which value has to display here? Which variable has to call? JVM don't know. Understand? So but methods, why we can access the method? Because in the methods we don't have any implementation, right? Only method declarations. So where we provided implementation? In child class we provided implementation. So that's why child class method only will be executed when you call show method. But here already we are variables. Left also we have, in left interface also we have variable, and value also has been assigned to that variable, and right interface also have the variable and value already assigned to that variable. Understand? So now if you access that X variable by using a variable called X, so which variable has to be executed here? JVM don't know anything about it, right? So now let me execute. Let me show you practically. So Java C. See what it is saying? Reference to
Both
X is
variable is-
ambiguous. See, reference to X is ambiguous. Here what? Ambiguity error or not? So JVM don't know which variable has to be refer here, right? So that's what here reference to X is what? Ambiguous. Clear,
Ambiguous.
everyone? So how
Yes,
to
sir.
solve this one? By using
Class
interface
name
names.
dot X. Sorry,
By using
name.
interface names. Now, if I use like this, left
Left dot X.
left dot X. Here,
Right,
let's suppose
right dot X.
right dot X. Here, to
Left
access
dot
this variable, I no need any instance of that interface, right? Because these are what? Static variables by
Static
default.
variable.
So that's what, how can we access static variable? By using class name, right? So now, let me comment this first one, okay? So now, Control S, if I compile, compilation successfully done, right? So now, Java child, see here, 111, 222, show method. What is the output here?
Yes.
111, 222,
222 and
show
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 method.
method.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah,
Yes,
clear.
sir.
With
Yes.
respect to naming,
Yes, sir.
interface variable
Yes.
naming conflicts. Okay. So this is also very, 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 very important, guys. These are all what, guys? Interview questions. And if you go for any interview and any written test, definitely these are the questions will be there, guys. Okay. So if you clear the concept, then only you can attempt that questions. Hope you people are understood now.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.